In this video, I'll show you how you can upload a video from Premiere Pro over to your X profile. So what you need to do is first edit and finish your video. Now, once it's finished, you can go ahead and click I on your keyboard, and provided you're on the timeline, it will create an in point for your video. Go ahead and then drag that to the start of your video. You'll see it snap to the start. Then go ahead and click near to the end of the video, click O on your keyboard. That will create an out point, and you can then drag that to the end here. So now you've got your video selected. Go to File in the top left hand corner, then go ahead and click on Export, then go and click Media. In future you can hold Ctrl and M and it will be a shortcut and it will open up this media window, which we are going to use right now. From here you can go ahead and choose a file name. So I'm just going to call this video test 123 or 13. Yep, that will do. Then we can go and choose the location. So if you click on the link, it will open up File Explorer. I'm going to just put this into my downloads, and yeah, we'll keep the file name the same and we'll save this. Now make sure that the format is H.264 if you're uploading to any social medias including X, and then if you go to video you can make sure this is checked, and the basic video settings, just click on match source here. It should be the settings that you've created the video in. You should have no issues, and then for audio here again you should have no issues. Then you can go ahead and click export in the bottom right hand corner, and it will encode and export your video. It will then be in the file location that you chose. Okay, so once we've done that and it is in the file location, we can go ahead and open up Chrome or any other web browser, and I'm just going to search for X, and we'll go ahead and log in and post the video. So we're going to post this straight from the laptop. So once you've logged in to X, you want to go to the post icon in the bottom left hand corner. Make sure you are logged in. As you can see, I'm logged in. My account is here. Now once you've clicked on the feather post icon, you can then go to media and then find the video that you've just exported. Then click open, and here you can add a caption. I'm just going to put here test video. And then you can go ahead and choose who can reply. I'm just going to put verified account so we don't get no spam. I'm going to delete this video anyway, but you can upload full-length videos to X nowadays. Wait for it to process and then click post in the bottom right-hand corner. Now it's going to be public. You're going to be able to see that on your profile. People are going to be able to interact, comment, retweet, and also like it. Thank you for watching. I hope that video helped you out.